how to change Facebook app language on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the settings and privacy page, and under the preferences tab, you will see the option for language and region. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the language for buttons, titles, and other text from option you see there, and you will then be taken to your iPhone settings directly. So here, tap on the language option you see there and then go ahead and choose the language that you want Facebook in. For instance, I will choose Chinese, and now if you go back to Facebook, as you can see, my Facebook app is running in Chinese language. So this is how you can change Facebook app language. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.